How to change your Netflix region on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change your Netflix region on your iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Netflix, sometimes what they do is that they just limit the license to and just restrict some of the contents on some other regions. Sometimes you might not have the specific content available due to license restrictions, and in order to fix this, the only way you can do through this is by using a VPN or a virtual private network, which is ultimately going to change the IP address and trick Netflix into thinking that you're from some other region, so that you can henceforth go ahead and then watch those restricted regions. Now there are many VPN applications out there, whether you're on iOS or whether you're on Android. You have Express VPN, you have Surfshark VPN, you have Touch VPN, you have Tomato VPN, depending upon the rating and the ones that you personally prefer yourself. And after you review them for the Netflix application, whether or not they work on such OTT platforms, you should be able to go ahead and then actually install the ones that you like. Once you install the ones that you like, sometimes it could be a paid VPN or sometimes it could be a free VPN. You can just go ahead and get them, and after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then successfully register and then watch Netflix and then change your region on iPhone. That's it for this video on how you can change the Netflix region on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.